How to log into Equity Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Equity Mortgage login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right, you will see the option of login. Click on that. Now go ahead and select the account that you have created the account for. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the login ID, then type in the password. In the case you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of Forget Password to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Login, and with that you'll be logged into Equity Mortgage account. So this is how you can easily log into Equity Mortgage account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.